Welcome to Shelby. Good morning, adventure seekers. June 28th, Dinosaur Caves Park. A couple drone launches. Not too windy today, so I think they should come off pretty good. I hope so. Stay tuned. This is a lovely park to come to. About as scenic as you can get, adventure seekers. So come on down right off the 101 at Pismo Beach. Good morning, adventure seekers. June 28th, Dinosaur Caves Park. Launched the drone over Bird Rock, and the birds were not happy one bit about that. So I don't think that was that great of an idea. But it was fun. I don't think many people would like it that I got all those birds upset. Well, hopefully that drone flight came out pretty interesting. Birds were pretty much attacking the drone. What do you think, Sparky? Is that fun? All right, what are we gonna do next? I don't know, we'll figure something out. Stay tuned, adventure seekers. Hey, like and subscribe. Why not? Doesn't cost you nothing.